What is going on, guys? We are bidding on two cars right now, and this is all of a sudden a very quick video. Let me zoom out and show my screen. See if we get these cars. I'm gonna do it for the video. Even if I have to overpay, I'm gonna do it for this video. This is a rough intro because it's all of a sudden I've got two of them won. I'm a buy here, pay here car dealer slash cash and outside finance dealer in BB, Arkansas. I'm using ACV auctions, which is this website right here, and we are the high bidder on these two bad boys. Now I am not. I've been outbid. Okay. Ooh, I've been outbid again. All right. Well, you're about to see a battle. Been doing this for a few years, and it is the hardest time to buy cars ever in history, I would say, for car dealers. In history. Like, things are going for insane prices. These prices right now that you see aren't bad at all. Most of the time, that Chevy Cruze on the right, even with 167 right now, dealers are having to pay like 57, 58. So, let's see what we can do, huh? All right, 2,400. I'm about to get one of these for the video. I might overpay. It's okay. 3,400. What is the 474? So $474. Transport engine noise. Kind of got a little exhaust leak. That's okay. That's okay. Full green light. We're looking good there. You want green lights on ACV auctions. Come on. Neither one of the reserves are met. Neither one. I think I could sell this for $69.99 finance and $4,500 cash. I could probably sell this for $79.99 finance or $5,900 cash in a market like this. Usually you couldn't do that, but you got to. It's the only way. This is why dealers are having to pay so much, or this is why you're seeing you go to a dealership and you're like, that is way too high. It's not because we're just marking them up. Oh, I won that one. Oh. Let's go, baby. I'm not playing around. Let's get two. Continue negotiating. Look at this. I've won 3 in the last. Well, I've won them like offer pending. So they want 45 for this one. I won that one at that. I won this one. They want 35, I think. And then now we just won that new boy. Can we get 4? Let's go! Oh, this is the most... I haven't been able to buy a car, for example, and I've been staring at my computer screen for about 8 hours a day for probably a week and a half, and I've only bought one in a week and a half, if that says anything about the car market. In a week and a half, I should have bought about 20. So, yeah. This is exciting. This guy outbid me. But not today. We're not playing around, okay? We're not playing around with you boys. You little boys out there in the auto industry world. Karsten and Moore BB is not playing around. This video is just basically me screen recording, showing you guys what I do daily. I've made multiple other videos. If you go and look at my YouTube channel I keep getting outbid. If you go look at my YouTube channel, you can see all the things I've done as a used car dealer. We've got 2 locations, and I do all kinds of things. I buy land, I buy cars, I'll buy a dirt bike, I'll buy a jet ski, I'll buy a boat. I'll buy anything for the right price. $3,800. Let me make you holla. Oh, invest in the stock market. I do that too. And we are at 3,800. We want to give them a little bit. We want to play with them. 28 seconds. I can't go up after this. This is the highest I'm willing to do. Oh my gosh. You know what? You know what? I'll play the game. This is going to kill me. I'm going to do it for the video, but I really don't want to do this. Oh my gosh, and I'm winning it, of course. I was hoping it would just say I'll bid. I should never be paying this much. Not with 167. I got to get out of here. I'm out. I'm done. I'm going to these. I don't even want to look at that. All right, so this is basically what I do every day. I love doing this stuff, though. Let's see, 2,400. They want 35. I'm going to come up to 2,700. We'll hit them with that. See how they're liking that one. This one, they want 35. I'm at 27. This one's actually pretty good, right? Mission sticker, engine accessory. What's wrong with this car? Nothing? Why didn't I buy it? The body in good shape. We got a little dent up front. We can fix that. That on the back. Dirty inside. That's worthy. I'm gonna go with 3,200 right there. We're gonna jump her up, okay? We're gonna jump this bad boy up. I just jumped it up. Oh my gosh. Oh gosh. Oh, thank God. I'm not moving. I'm not moving. Not on that car. Oh, I shouldn't have paid that much. Okay, well. Anyways, this is what I do. Can you guys see me? Yeah. This is what I do every single freaking day. We've been doing this for about 2 years. I've been selling cars since I was 15. And I love doing this online auction stuff. I've got a few videos if you want to check them out of me doing this. I have not posted one in like 3 months. I need to post way more, way more. But pretty knowledgeable in this space. There's a select few cars that I love buying. I'll buy whatever, but those Chevy Cruzes are very appealing to customers. They're not the greatest cars. Usually something is always needed before I'm able to sell it, like coil packs or something like that. But they're really good once they are fixed, and they have a really good appeal to customers. So I love buying them. But yeah, that's me just bidding on cars. I was trying to catch it really quick. That was the highlight probably of the day. Usually I don't ever get even relatively close. In the last week, I haven't got close to any cars. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Check out my other videos. I think I've got like 200 videos, some in Arizona, some in Arkansas, all over the place. Lamborghinis, McLarens, just random things. And then investing in the stock market. So thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video.